Welcome to Raised Bed Gardening Tips and Tricks for Beginners. If you're looking to elevate your gardening game, you've come to the right place. Raised beds are perfect for maximizing space, improving soil quality, and making gardening more accessible. Let's dive into some essential tips to get you started. First up, location. Choose a sunny spot in your yard. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Make sure it's close to a water source to make your life easier. Next, let's talk about the bed itself. Aim for a depth of at least 12 inches. This gives your plants enough room to establish roots and thrive. You can use wood, metal, or even stone to construct your bed. Just make sure your materials are non-toxic and safe for gardening. Now, soil. The key to a successful raised bed garden is great soil. Create a mix of 1/3 garden soil, 1/3 compost, and 1/3 peat moss or coconut coir. This combination provides good drainage and rich nutrients for your plants. Once your bed is ready and filled with soil, it's time to plant. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, and herbs. Space your plants according to their needs and keep them well watered, especially during hot, dry periods. Don't forget about companion planting. Some plants grow better together. For example, planting basil with tomatoes can enhance the flavor and help deter pests. Research which plants make good neighbors to maximize your garden's potential. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Mulching is crucial. It helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulch like straw or wood chips works best. Watering is another critical aspect. Water your plants early in the morning to minimize evaporation and fungal growth. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Finally, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Hand-pick any visible pests and use organic solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap as needed. Regularly inspect your plants to catch any issues early. And there you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, your raised bed garden will be flourishing in no time. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips. See you next time.